Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about some questions from the textbook and we'll see how we can work out on these questions. Let's see. Okay, the question number 1 is find the union of, okay, just a second, we need to find out the union of 1 comma 5. On 5 is a close bracket, union on 2 is open bracket, comma 7, on 7 it is a close bracket. Okay, now this is the question and I need to find the union. Okay, first I represent these numbers on the number lines, it will make you more clear. This is 0 and we need all the number on the positive side. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7, correct? Okay, okay, first I represent the number which is presented by this set. Okay, this is 1 on 1 is open bracket, either on the number line it is represented by this circle, close bracket means solid circle, or otherwise you make these sign. Okay, I am going to make these signs. So 1 on 1 this symbol, and on 5 it is a close bracket, means 5 is included in the set. When you open this bracket it will be containing 2, 3, 4, 5 till 5. Okay, now the second is starting with the, okay, this is the first set here. Okay, now I am going to talk about the second set, that is starting with 2. On 2 it is a open, so on 2 I am going to do like this, open, that when I will be doing. Okay, this is open. Okay, and it is going till 7. On 7 it is closed, means it is going to be this set, correct? Okay, so this part you can see is a common, this is uncommon and this is uncommon, correct? So what this is going to contain, this uncommon part means from 1 it will start, correct, comma this common part again will be coming and this again continuous, so this is going to be till 7. On 7 it is going to be closed. So this is going to be the union for this set. This part on which contain green and red line, this is common part, so that part is also coming in this. From 1 to 2 it is going to be uncommon part, so that is also contained in this, sorry, excuse me. And from 5 to 7 it is going to be uncommon, that is also included when you open, correct? And 5 is included in this set, so 5 is also included. And 2, on 2 it is open, correct? On 2 it is open, but 5 is included in this set. So in this set 2 is included or not, so that is going to become in the this union set, correct? Now I will take one more question. Okay, that second question is going to be it is 3, 0 union negative 1, 2. Okay, okay, on 1, 2 is a square bracket. Okay, I am going to represent, first I am going to represent on the number line. Okay, this is your number line and we need 0, we need this side negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 1 and 2, correct? This is negative 3. On negative 3 it is an open bracket, so I am going to put open bracket. It is going to be till 0, correct? So it is going to contain all the points over here, all the real points. So this reason I am going to say, this reason I have said it. Okay, now this is starting with negative 1. Negative 1, on negative 1 it is going to be close bracket and it is ending with 2. 2 is also close bracket, so it is going to be contained here. Okay, now we need to check, see this is 0, this is 0, correct? and before 0 this set is starting, so means, and this is containing close bracket, so from here all the points this set is going to contain, so in that, in 0 is going to come definitely, because 0 is excluded from here, so that's why we are checking the 0 is included in that or not. Okay, 0 is included, so going to be come in the union. And over here -1, that -1 is including already, because here is a close bracket, correct. So this is the uncommon part, this is common part that is going to be there, and this is uncommon, this is uncommon, so that is also going to be. So from 3 it will start and it will be ending with 2, and on 2 it is going to be a close bracket. Suppose in case if you have the doubt, over here I am going to write this, I am considering as a natural number. Okay, so this is starting from 3, means 3 is not contained, correct. So it is going to be contain -2, -1, and 0 is not included, correct, and union, and this set is starting with -1, so means this set, this I am talking about this set is starting with the -1, so it is going to be contain -1, after -1 will be 0, then 1, and it is ending with 2, and 2 is included, so this set is going to be okay. Now you can check -2, -1, -2 will be coming, is present in this set, is not present in this set, so what will be coming, because uncommon number also we need to write once. Okay, -1 also coming. Okay, after -1 0 is coming, 1 is coming, and 2 is coming, and close. Okay, now I need to write this, correct. So how I will be writing, because 2 is included over here, -2, and I am saying it is a natural set. So before natural set, what number I need to take? If I am taking -3, if I am taking -3 means next natural number, it is going to start with the, when you will be opening bracket, it is going to start with the -2, correct. Okay, and over here 2 is included, so what you can write? You can write 2, or otherwise you can write 3 and open bracket, but I am going to write over here 2, and on 2 it is going to be close bracket. So this is the one way you can write, and another way, with the help of number line also you can represent, correct. Now one more example I'll show you. That example is going to be that example is 1 second. Okay, that example is 2 to infinity union. I need to calculate for 4, infinity. Okay, on 4 it is a open bracket, correct. Okay. And this is going to be okay. Now I am going to represent first this on the number line. This is your number line, and this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, till infinity. Okay, now this set is starting from 2, and the point 2 is included, because on 2 it is going to be close bracket, so 2 is included, and this reason, whole reason is going to be okay. Now this is starting from 4, on 4 it is open bracket, so I am going to be open, and this is going to be till infinity and infinity. Okay, now when you stated this reason, okay, from 4 it is going to be common reason. Okay, I need to check for, because it is starting from 2, so 2 is included, not doubtful. Now I need to check infinity. Oh, I need to check for the 4 point, it is going to be get included or not. So this set is starting from 2 to infinity, means this set is going to be contain all the point, and this set is going to contain from 4. So 4 is going to be get included, because this set is containing 4. If this is not containing, doesn't matter, because if it is present in 1, then another, then union definitely will be containing. So the answer is going to be from 2, and it is going to be infinity, and whenever you are writing infinity, that side we need to put the open bracket, because there is no limitation, infinity. So we don't know what the point are going to be included, it is infinity, we can't decide. So on the undecided thing we put the open bracket. So this is the way we can find out the union. And now we next video onwards we see the for intersection. Okay, and you need to attempt the question from the textbook. If you have any doubt, you can post on the forum, I will be answering.